Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones Xiaomi Buds 2 Pro. So, the touch area is located right here. I put the headphones to my ears to show it to you. Now, if you press 2 times on your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So now I'm press 2 times, 1, 2, and I'm just play a song. Now I press again. I'm sorry. And as you can see, I just pause the song. Now, if you press 2 times your left earbud, you call your assistant. I have iOS, so I call it Siri, but if you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. And as you can see, Siri just awake. Now, if you press and hold left or right earbud, you will swap between noise cancelling, transparency mode, or wind noise cancelling. So now I press and hold, and I just swapped to ANC mode. Now I press and hold again, and I swap to transparency mode. And last time press and hold, and I swap to wind noise cancelling. And the last one. If someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing 2 times on your left or right earbud. I guess I should disable this mode. And now let's call. Now I press 2 times, 1, 2, and I just answer the call. And if I press again, I will finish the call. 1, 2, and I just finish it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.